And once that light, that cheeky little light, once that light turns off, we are ready to go. Well, I might go ahead and move them there and fucking go ahead and peel some fucking potatoes or something for now, because I think I need to make some mashed potato. I might actually roast a couple carrots or something. I think there's a couple carrots down there somewhere. Oh, fuck. There's a fucking potato. Fuck, that's loud. That's a lid. That's a steak. Oh, carrots. Oh, they're... It's called a veggie crisper, I get it, but it's just fucking frozen. Oh, shit. Jesus, fuck. There's not much water in there to begin with, is there? I've made a mess of this. Spoilers, you've missed me taking the lid off. Ah, good. That light is off. You know what that means? It means it's like getting late. Alright, so steak can go in. 120 degrees for about an hour. You're not seeing it, but I'm salute. Potatoes, they're just gonna fucking potato, I guess. Drain them, let them cool. I might peel the carrots now. I can't really do that with my hand. Yeah, fuck it. You know, I'm gonna hang a piss and I'm just gonna chill out. Look at this little corner cat. No, he's following. So, these fuckers can go get drained for a little bit. That's like the cleaner of the two sinks, I suppose, right now. Oh, this can only end well and safe. It's fucking go time, isn't it, bud? Ooh, nice. I can't get the rest of this out. Oh my god. Alright, we're fucking go time, yeah? Can come here. That needs to be within arm's reach there. And shit, that is like not even on the right burner, is it? God damn it. Oh, that is no cast iron. Yes. So, cast iron, let's heat that motherfucker right the fuck up. And this is gonna be for the mash, but trust me, it's gonna be fucking good. Oh, I was meant to chuck bacon in. Fuck it, I've got time for bacon. Who the fuck doesn't have time for bacon? Now, where the fuck are some tongs? I've got a fucking clue. Let's fucking... Holy fuck, I better stir my onion. You can't see any of this, but it's chaos. Potatoes, they can just cool down there for a minute or two, because all I have to do now, it's real easy when you do it this way, is just fucking peel it off this way. Where's my ricer? Fuck, Jesus Christ, holy shit. Where's my ricer? We're gonna fucking rice it. Put the potato in there, and then you fucking just go squish, and it all comes out the bottom, like in those little holes. I only use a combination of butter and a combination of milk. I might just chuck some cheese in there for good measure, because who doesn't like cheese? I'm gonna chuck some wine into me, so. Alright, let's see if I can get some footage of this. Oh shit, that's way too fucking hot. It smells like steam. This is a refurbished phone, so I don't even know if this is even gonna fucking survive the bloody mayhem of my life. I need to get started with this shit real quick, actually, so fuck it. You can have potato. Kind of almost does. You're gonna have to see the tiny little bits on the side. Where the fuck is my ricer? I'm too drunk to do this. Okay, so it's just a lot of mixing. Why is there water everywhere? What have I done? And the fucking, all this onion and shit. Yeah, fuck yeah. I need to hands again for this, so fuck. Bye. That was me drinking the milk. Righto, so now I've got it like that. I think I don't know when it stopped recording, but I pulled the carrots out. So that's pretty much where I'm up to at the moment. Alright, now we crank the fucking heat and hope that these fuckers survive. What the fuck is... Aha! Come to me.